all about uploading and sorting out your video. We have a simple upload system we'll be using. You can edit your videos using software if you'd like, but it is not necessary for this program. If this is your choice, you would make edits here. You can add transitions, enhance color and audio, make cuts, add text, logo and backgrounds. But this time we're keeping it simple and uploading to YouTube.
Wonderful, so exporting and uploading. If you see on your screen a little video of my phone, what I'm doing is I'm going to YouTube. I've hit the little video sign icon and selected a video of Kalo, our dog, and I'm just going to upload that little 10-second video to YouTube. So that video is now finished. Cool. I'm going to title that video, and I've labeled it Kalo, the dog, on a walkies, because that's what we say to the dog. I can't say that word too loudly or else the dog will hear and she'll get too excited. What I select on my privacy is I change it to unlisted. This means that anybody with the link can see the video, but it's not for public. Now my video is just uploading. This might take a few minutes, particularly if your video is a bit longer than 10 seconds. Just give it some time and wait for it to finish processing. So you'll see it might say waiting and then processing. When it's done, you might see your inbox or your uploads empty. Don't worry, don't stress. What I want you to do is pull down if you're on a phone, refresh the screen. You might have to refresh 2 or 3 times, and then you will see it pop up. Then from there, what you can do is click on the video, see that it works, and then send us the link. So just click share, copy, and send it to us via email. Wonderful.
So we really hope you've had a ball doing this. We've had a lovely time getting it ready for you, had a lot of laughs, a lot of learning, and the best part of everything, it's all about singing.